Did you know that you can leverage simple yet powerful DeepSeek trading strategy to predict and profit from market movements? Whether it's stocks, commodities, or options, mastering the right strategies could be your key to success. And the best part? You can use DeepSeek to implement them with precision and confidence. Stick with me as we dive into 13 unique strategies that can transform the way you trade. Let's get started. 1. Macro trend, following with leverage. Macro trend following is all about capitalizing on global economic themes, like inflation or interest rate hikes. Picture this. If the Federal Reserve signals a prolonged rate hike cycle, you could go long on the US dollar and short emerging market currencies. DeepSeek lets you track these macroeconomic indicators with real-time data, combining fundamental insights with technical analysis tools like moving averages or Fibonacci retracements to identify the best entry points. All you need is to set your parameters, and DeepSeek will help you time your trades perfectly. 2. Sentiment analysis and contrarian plays. When sentiment analysis is your tool of choice, you can trade against the crowd. Use DeepSeek to analyze social media sentiment, like stock twits data, and track sentiment indicators like the VIX and put-call ratios. For instance, if the market's feeling overly pessimistic about a stock, you might find an opportunity to go long, betting on a recovery or even a short squeeze. DeepSeek's order flow analysis will help you understand where big institutions are placing their bets, making it easier to navigate through these market shifts. 3. Pairs trading with correlated assets. Now let's talk about pairs trading. Imagine trading correlated assets like gold and silver, profiting when they diverge. This strategy allows you to capitalize on the difference in price movement between two assets that typically move in tandem. DeepSeek's cointegration analysis makes it easy to identify these pairs, enabling you to spot when they've moved out of sync. With historical correlation data and the power of mean reversion models, DeepSeek will help you time the market perfectly for when these assets return to their typical relationship. The best part? It works across all asset classes, giving you countless opportunities to explore. We're aiming for 100,000 subscribers this year, and we need your help to make it happen. Your support means a lot to us. Before we dive deeper, if you're finding these insights valuable, please take a moment to like this video and hit the subscribe button. 4th, earnings season and volatility strategies. During earnings season, volatility can skyrocket, creating both risk and opportunity. This is the perfect time to implement strategies like iron condors or straddles to profit from the market's post-earnings reactions. DeepSeek gives you a detailed view of implied volatility (IV), helping you assess whether options are overpriced or underpriced by analyzing historical volatility data. When foreskew looks out of whack, that's your cue to jump in. Armed with DeepSeek's tools, you can make informed, data-driven decisions that capitalize on these volatile moves, ensuring you stay one step ahead in this fast-paced environment. 5. Long-term compounder, value plus momentum. The long-term compounder strategy blends value investing with momentum. You want to find companies that are undervalued, but also showing strong upward momentum. With DeepSeek's advanced quantitative screens, you can quickly identify stocks with low PE or PB ratios, paired with robust earnings growth. By monitoring earnings surprises and price momentum, DeepSeek helps you find those hidden gems, companies that have the potential for sustained growth. Simply set your criteria in DeepSeek, and it will filter through thousands of opportunities in real time, delivering the most promising picks to your watch list. By now, you're probably seeing how these strategies could elevate your trading game. But there's more to come. Let's dive into how DeepSeek can help you time the market with precision and accuracy, ensuring you're always a step ahead. 6th, algorithmic and quantitative trading. Machine learning. Algorithmic trading is revolutionizing the way we approach the market, and DeepSeek is your key to unlocking its full potential. Whether it's spotting arbitrage opportunities or predicting market movements with cutting-edge machine learning models, DeepSeek lets you backtest and optimize your strategies like never before. Leverage advanced algorithms to uncover hidden patterns, refine your entries and exits, and automate your trades for maximum efficiency. The more data you feed into DeepSeek, the more precise your trading becomes, enabling you to stay ahead of the competition and take advantage of every opportunity. 7. Risk parity and volatility targeting. In portfolio management, balancing risk is essential, and strategies like risk parity and volatility targeting are the keys to success. With DeepSeek, you can dynamically balance risk across different asset classes by adjusting your portfolio based on volatility. When market volatility rises, DeepSeek helps you reduce your risk exposure, ensuring your portfolio remains balanced and aligned with your risk tolerance. Tools like ATR or historical volatility indicators allow you to stay on top of market conditions while optimizing your risk-adjusted returns and keeping your portfolio resilient in changing environments. 8. Trade with liquidity flows and market makers. When you focus on liquidity flows, you're aligning yourself with the big players. With DeepSeek, you can track Level 2 order book data, monitoring where the institutional money is going. Dark pool volumes and block trades from market makers are key indicators of future price movements. By keeping an eye on these trends, DeepSeek allows you to spot liquidity spikes before the rest of the market catches on. This gives you a significant edge, positioning you to make moves that align with large-scale market shifts. It's all about staying ahead of the curve and capitalizing on the big money flows. 9. Event-driven arbitrage. Event-driven arbitrage is a powerful strategy that capitalizes on corporate events like mergers, acquisitions, or spin-offs. DeepSeek lets you track these corporate moves in real time, assessing the probability of success and determining the best time to act. Whether you're engaging in merger arbitrage or taking advantage of a spin-off, you'll know exactly when to position yourself in stocks that will benefit from these corporate events. With DeepSeek's deal spread analysis, you can identify when these opportunities are underpriced, giving you a strategic advantage in event-driven plays. Seasonal and calendar anomalies. Seasonal trends are a trader's secret weapon, and DeepSeek helps you take full advantage of them. From the January effect to the sell in May and go away strategy, market psychology often leads to predictable price movements at certain times of the year. With DeepSeek's backtesting capabilities, you can easily identify historical patterns that repeat year after year. Whether you're trading stocks, commodities, or currencies, DeepSeek's predictive models based on seasonal data will give you the edge, allowing you to time your trades for maximum profitability. 11th, advanced statistical arbitrage, StatArb. When it comes to statistical arbitrage, you're looking to profit from market inefficiencies. DeepSeek's advanced tools allow you to track co-integration tests, helping you identify pairs of correlated assets that are deviating from their historical relationships. Once you spot these divergences in real time, you can take advantage of them by executing trades that capitalize on the eventual return to equilibrium. With DeepSeek's access to high-frequency data and powerful statistical models, you can fine-tune your strategy for precision and consistency, making StatArb an incredibly effective tool in your trading arsenal. 12th, geopolitical risk play. Geopolitical risk plays are perfect for times of global uncertainty. When political tensions rise, commodities like oil and gold often experience sharp price increases. With DeepSeek, you can monitor geopolitical risk indicators, tracking volatility spikes in key markets and commodities. By using option strategies like long straddles, you can profit from the uncertainty surrounding geopolitical events, positioning yourself to benefit from market swings. DeepSeek's ability to spot these opportunities in real time makes it a powerful tool for navigating the unpredictable world of geopolitics. 13. Alternative data and sentiment analysis. In today's market, it's not just about the numbers. Alternative data and sentiment analysis are game changers. By analyzing non-traditional data sources like social media trends, news sentiment, and even satellite images, you can get ahead of market moves before they happen. DeepSeek integrates alternative data into its analytics, allowing you to track and quantify public sentiment and market mood. This strategy is perfect for identifying shifts in market perception, enabling you to capitalize on moves driven by emotions and public opinion. There you have it, 12 powerful strategies to take your trading to the next level. Start implementing these strategies today and take your trading to the next level. If you're excited to implement these in your own trading journey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We're aiming to hit 100,000 subscribers this year, and we need your participation to reach that goal. Thank you for being part of this journey, and happy trading.